Hi everyone, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing. This one is from the buy two get one. It was like a secret buy two get one, so you had to have the link. But most of their newer diamond paintings were in the buy two get one, so I couldn't resist it, and I am now pretty much done spending because I think I spent all of my tax money pretty much on either diamond paintings or diamond painting accessories, or pretty much that's it. Not all of it was spent at Diamond Art Club, and then I bought some like stuff for my house and regular stuff, but I'm just trying to get this box open. It's like really taped well. And then here is the inventory sheet that you always get from Diamond Art Club. And the code you always get to reorder if you order again. And then there's paper. And I got 1, 2, and 3. So I got 2 giant ones and 1 smaller one. So I think I'll start with the smaller one. This one I think came out in April. I think this was a new release in April. I'm not positive, but I think that's when it came out. And this one is Mary, Did You Know? It's one of my favorite Christmas songs, with my other one being What Child Is This, which I already have. So I had to get it. And it is a 42 by 57, and it is square ABs. And the standard toolkit from Diamond Art Club, which I have one open here, comes with a blue pen, a squishy, a few bags, a 3-placer, and a clear tray. And that's what all the Diamond Art Club toolkits come with. And then let's look at the canvas. I haven't seen anyone unbox this one, but I could have missed it. This one did come with a schematic of all of the colors, so that'll be nice to use in the sticker maker. And it looks like this one has 1 AB as well. And then here are, well, I got 2 copies of the 9 Steps to Diamond Painting. And here is the diamond painting. And it's a Mandy Manzano, so there's black lines throughout the whole thing. And the sticky is very sticky, and The drill field, as usual with Diamond Art Club, is very clear. I don't know if it's picking that up. And so we'll just put this away and then I'll show you the diamonds. If I can get it to go back. There it goes. And then the diamonds for this one are there's a brown, like a greenish gray, and then all these colors: purple, blue, light green, and like a light navy green, I guess, an orange, a mustard yellow, another kind of greenish blue a little bit, dark brown, it's orangey brown, a blue, a reddish orange, orangish yellow, two more greens, a yellow, a rust color, two more greens, a cream, and another brown. And then in this strip there is a bright red. Here is the AB. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but it is a white AB. And like a yellowish one, two more browns, another yellow, orange, and like a burgundy color. And then we have three bags of $9.39, 4 bags of $3.10, 1 bag of $8.23, which is a dark blue, 1 bag of $4.98, which is like a cherry red kind of, and 1 bag of $3.21. And I'll put these away and then I'll get out the next one. And then here is the next one. This one I've been looking at for a while too. It's not a brand new release, and I'm not sure, but I think this one was released in April as well, but I'm not positive. And so this one is A Song for the Moonlight. It is a 55 by 78, and it is round with ABs. And you have your typical Diamond Art Club toolkit. And then look at the canvas. Ooh, it's really pretty. Well, the 9 steps to diamond painting came in it. This is even prettier than on their website. It did not come with a schematic, but that's okay. There are 21 colors, and I don't know if you can see it, but that is what it looks like. Kind of fighting the daylight and the sun for this. And this one is, again, very sticky. And the symbols are, again, very, very clear and easy to read. I've been wanting this one since I saw Estes unbox it. I'm not a huge wolf fan like her, but I do like wolves, and I like this one and one other one that Diamond Art Club has. So I may get that one in the future. I cannot remember who the artist is from this one. It doesn't say on the box. All I know is it's not a Mandy Manzano and it's not a JoJo's art. The other wolf one I want is a JoJo's art. So maybe I'll get that one in the future when I have money again. I didn't look to see how many ABs, so I guess we'll find out. Look at the diamonds. And I have 2 huge bags of 3371 that are bigger than the large bags. So that, I have not seen that before with that color. I have seen it with 310. Here's the colors. There's a couple grays, off-white, 2 more. No, not 2 more. 2 bags of $37.99, which are like a gray, a dark gray. And then 4 bags of $9.38, which is like a chocolate brown. And then 1 little bag of 310. And then a brown, 2 bags of this gray, 2 bags of another gray, a brown, another brown, 2 bags of another gray, and 2 more bags of gray. So this one will have a lot of gray in it. And then there are 2 little bags of 647 and 2 bags of, or no, 1 bag of 3861 and 1 bag of 3860, which are very similar. And then another bag of 3371. This is the older bag of 3371. And then this is the AB. It's a white AB. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Maybe there. There you can kind of see it. And then 976, 3782, 3787, 420, and 975. So those are all the colors that came in A Song for the Moonlight. And then the last one from this haul, this one I believe was one of the May 20th releases. I think that's when they released this one. Was it working? Nope, that didn't work either. I'm in trouble getting this one open. This one I really liked, and I've been looking at it, and when it was on the buy two get one, I was like, yeah, I gotta get it. So this one is Fathoms Below by Manny Manzano. I don't know how you can see it. And it is a 47 by 87 square with AB. I've noticed lately that DAC is releasing a lot more squares, which is kind of nice because I like both. So it's nice to go back and forth between the two. And I got the standard toolkit. And then here is the canvas. Ooh, I like the colors in this one. It's got a lot of bright blue, red. It's got like, looks like that mint green color. There are 39 colors in this one. And here comes with the 9 steps to diamond painting. It did not come with a schematic, which is okay. This is a very long painting, so this is what it looks like. Trying to just show you all of it slowly. And here's what the bottom looks like. And I love these canvases because they self-flatten and you don't have to really worry about the glue is really sticky, but you don't have to worry about runs in the glue because it is poured glue. And the symbols, as always, are very clear and very easy to read. So I'm looking forward to doing this one, but like I said, I have others that I have to do right away. One of which is the one that I got from Hoocan after they finally sent me the right one, because after you win one on AliExpress, you do need to do a detailed review, and you can't really do that unless you've actually completed the diamond painting. So I forgot to look to see how many ABs there were on this one, but we will find out as we look at the diamonds. There are 8 bags, 8 large bags of 310. There's a lot of 310 in this one. And then this one is kind of new, kind of old packaging. I haven't seen it like this before. 3846. And then I think this is 669 because the Diamond Art Club is right side up there. And then a light blue, which I think is 966. And then, well, maybe not, because that's how this one is upside down, and this is right side up, so this is 742, so maybe this is 996, and this is 699, not sure, don't have the numbers memorized. This is 3843, 820, 741, 948, 991, 995, 498. It looks like someone just went in and cut these apart. I don't know. 353, 606, 702, 3814, 955, 782. I've not seen this before. 602, 400, 352, 700, 783, 939, 796, 890, 814, 954, 351, 3811, 150, 740, and then here's the AB. It's 141 again. It's the white AB, and these are square again. And 823, 817, 780, 992, 743, and 912. So there are all the colors in Fathoms below. And so now I have a bunch of stuff to clean up. But thank you for watching and have a great day.